This is the anterior posterior view. It is measuring 11 mm, and the transverse view, it is measuring 15 mm. 15 centimeter, not mm. And the total volume, I calculated, it was 1 liter of 1500 ml, 1.5 liter of urine is there in this urinary bladder, highly distended, highly over distended. Here you can see this is the uterus, and further if we trace this uterus, there is one more structure. It is looking like uterus. It is in fact the uterus only, and it is located quite high in the abdomen, just below the liver. The uterus has reached just close to the liver because of the over distended bladder. This is the liver, and this is the uterus, gravid uterus, postpartum uterus. So this could be a sort of some bicornu uterus. Right kidney is showing hydronephrosis, secondary to over distended bladder more likely. This uterus is located near the liver, at the just reaching towards the right hypochondrium. And once again, if we look at this bladder, over distended bladder, you see one more horn of the uterus. So this would be a bicornu uterus more likely. Or it could be a normally compressed single normal uterus, which is compressed by the bladder, urinary bladder, and the fundus of the uterus had reached towards the right hypochondrial region. Severe over distension of the urinary bladder might be the cause, is the cause, not might be the cause. You can see here we will scan it after removal of after evacuation of the urine from the bladder, urinary bladder. This is the elongated cervix due to over distended bladder, measuring around 9 centimeter. If the measurement may be somewhat plus or minus wrong, then we can measure from here. Then also it is 7.6 centimeter, but it is quite elongated, stretched cervix due to over distended bladder.